हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू टीच एजुकेशन। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके लिए कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन लेके आया हूँ। उससे पहले मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन कर लीजिएगा। तो आइए देखते हैं हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन कौन सा है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी प्लेयर्स आर देयर इन बैडमिंटन? राइट आंसर 2 प्लेयर्स। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी प्लेयर्स आर देयर इन बेसबॉल टीम? Right answer 9 players. Third question, how many players are there in snooker? Right answer 1 or 2 players. Fourth question, how many players are there in boxing? So right answer is 1 or 2 players. Fifth question, how many players are there in chess? Right answer 2 players. Sixth question, how many players are there in cricket team? So right answer is 11 players. Seventh question, how many players are there in cricket team? So right answer is 3 or 6 players. Eighth question, how many players are there in football team? Right answer 11 players. Ninth question, how many players are there in hockey team? So right answer 11 players. 10th question, how many players are there in kabaddi? Right answer 10 players. 11th question, how many players are there in kho-kho? Right answer 9 players. 12th, how many players are there in lacrosse team? Right answer 10 players. 13th quiz, how many players are there in netball team? Right answer 7 players. 14th quiz, how many players are there in polo team? Right answer 4 players. 15th quiz, how many players are there in rugby football team? Right answer 15 players. 16th question, how many players are there in table tennis? Right answer 2 players. 17th quiz, how many players are there in tennis? Right answer 1 or 2 players. 18th quiz, how many players are there in volleyball team? Right answer 6 players. 19th quiz, how many players are there in water-polo team? Right answer 7 players. 20 question, how many players are there in gymnastic team? Right answer 8 players.
अगर ये जानकारी आपको पसंद आई हो तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना। धन्यवाद।